Yo guys, we're at the Bahamas, but a video's coming out soon but today I'm gonna try and give these cats names that we have here. All of these, so let's start off with the mama. I think this is the mom. This one has orange eyes, so like I don't know. So like maybe like orangey. I don't know. Orangey. Yeah, orangey is pretty good. All right, let's move on to the next cat. Gotta be careful with the kitten, but the kitten name Kitsney. Yeah, kitten. Because it's a kitten, it's a kitten. Yeah, so. Kitten. Alright, this one is named, he's orange and white, so, like, maybe, like, orange white, yes. Good name, that's a good name. I like that. What are they doing? Oh my god. Hey, stop. Okay, I think that's the mom. We haven't not. Oh, these two look alike. Okay. That one, I think I need that one here. So this one, you are. Oh, Josh. Okay, whatever. That one is. Oh my. I don't know. Almost mom. Teen. Yes, because it's probably a teenager. Sorry about the plane there, but yeah. Why are people doing this? Okay, whatever. That's the end of the video. So, see you guys in the next video. Stop! Sorry about that.